Alright, I'm back again. The last video of the night. I did numerous paint tests, as you can see, and I determined, well, I have to use the decal of course, that the best match is medium blue added to the NX light blue mixed with the decal turquoise. It dried the darker color. Now, if you look at the one with the lots more medium blue added, metallic blue, bit too blue, not aqua enough. So I'm going to err on the aqua side. Maybe a little drop of... But if you look, take a close look, I'll show you the Aztec Decal combined with what I painted for the neck. So watch carefully. See? That's how it dried. That, I got it. And even though... Okay, I'm back. So as you can see from the cover of the... Yes, so that's the NCC. But now you look, you see the color. It looks very light. And yet, you see what it dries to. The same blue. There, it's out of the shadow. The same blue as the Aztec Decal. So I got it. I got that mix. I've got it perfect just as it is, so don't mess it up. And it's great. It'll go with everything. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to check over all the spray painted parts, the ones that have been sprayed with the primer. And I think you can tell from here. You see the top engineering section? It's going to need more primer. Bottom one looks pretty good, except in the deflector housing, so it's going to need a bit more in there. But then that's going to be colored anyway. That deflector housing is going to be colored anyway, so that doesn't matter as much. But the main hull does matter. Cargo bay didn't get as much as it should have, so it'll probably get another shot of primer before I And I did determine, thanks to watching some model building videos on YouTube, this is the Excelsior sensor dish, deflector dish, for Captain Sulu, but it has to be painted white in the center, and maybe even the radial lines can be painted white, and then blue in the middle. I can hand paint that. But I'm definitely going to have to spray paint the top saucer. If you take a look at the bottom saucer, you see the gray it is? That's a good gray. So you want to make sure that the nacelles and the top saucer match the gray. So there's going to be a few things that are going to be repainted in here, like the top engineering Strongback and maybe one of the nacelles. I'll separate the parts that need repriming and reprime them all at once. Anyway, that's about it for now. As you can see, I've got royal light gray if I need to make it any darker. Hopefully it won't be as dark as the Enterprise. I've got the light gray primer, which is only a little lighter. I've got the silver, 2 types of silver for around the bridge. I've got the gunmetal for the neck. I've got the red, Italian red for the impulse engines. But what I need to find a light blue spray paint for the, say the warp nacelles. And I need to find a medium blue for the deflector dish spray paint. I don't have those spray paints, so that's where I'm going shopping tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow for more videos. See you then.